Hello, my friend. Thank you so much. You're welcome to back to our channel too. We make a new video again, and we make a new information for you about stock market and the forex market and candlestick too, and learning to you about making online the money. Thank you so much, and continue the my learning too. ویدیو شماره 7. Okay, my friend, and attention to my video and more graphs and continue for learning. Okay, continue, and I'm going to my laptop too. Thank you. First, I'm going to talk about the price action trading strategy with the brief examples on how the trend making upward and upward, or when it is a range market, then I include the trading volume to price action, which is very important to show you an amazing create picture of the price movement in a stock market. Okay, when the volume, the price action having only two variables, the namely for price and volume, it is the much more easier than and profitable to make decision and help you when to enter the and exit the trading market. Price the action trading is the methodology that allow the traders to took that historical to price the movement of and assess the over time in order to make a better trading decision without having any risk. Traders usually using the price action, trend line, and technical intraday attempts to make profit from the continued of the trend or to find the currents of the rival of the price in order to enter the exit the trading market. In general, we have the three types of the market when we are dealing with price action, strong upper, strong downward, and sideways trend. This is your finance stock and 1 day time frame. Each candle represents one of the trading. Okay. Okay, my video, my camera too. And it is making the higher and higher, how the higher the and more higher the low. That is the chart of the this strong uptrend, and the enough of the up using the must be bigger than the downward. So this one must be bigger than this one, and so no, and the each for swing and the higher than the previous one. One example, exactly. This is one of the higher than, this is the higher than the low price for charting of the strong uptrend. This is the finals for Air Canada, represent 1 day of trading, and this is the graph show the strong and strong downward for downward, and the making lower and lower and lower for stock market for Air Canada is the lower than the previous one, for example, exactly. For this lower, this is the from the previous one. One is this from the previous chart market. In this your finance Air Canada stock, and one time the frame each candle spend of the day of trading. This graph show the range of the sideways the market. Now the sideways the market, the price doesn't go up or down exactly. In a strange line to for sideways to trend refer to horizontal the price, the trend, the movement when the strange of the buyers and sellers in the market. or almost for someone the price of the during. This is the price. If you look at within the upper and the lower the bound which act the resistance and the support the weather until the reverses into new uptrend or downward. Will go up or down. If you know the candlestick math, you can probably blend probably for a candlestick to single stick, that it's easier to know the price is the trend is going to the up down. Or I have two videos and a candlestick match. The first one of the thing candlestick match one step closer to profit, and the second one is the candlestick the match for secret golden exactly in the market. The recommend you go to the see it will to find a lot of the good information. This is your finance stock for guideline. One day of the trading in this graph, the first for time the frame each candlestick, we want to show you that how to uptrend reversal is happening now in this downtrend. It is the downtrend and the price market lower or lower too. And then here is a yellow circle. You see that the price cannot make a lower, higher, or same this. Uh, Enough the trend reversals from the downtrend to uptrend. So here you see that when the reverses, it make the higher and higher. For uptrend, now if you know candlestick math, you can probably blend this candle here and show clearly that why the trend is reversing to upward direction. This is the final for Canada. So want to show you how downtrend reversal happen. Now here is the uptrend and the price making the higher and higher, the low the higher, and for euro circuit you can see the price cannot make the higher or higher up. After this that you see the price could not make a higher from this candlestick in this place. So again, if you know the candlestick math, you can probably blend these candles and define out of the trends going from upward to downward direction. Trending volume. Trending volume. So far, we talked about the price action. We thought having the volume. Now we want to incorporate for volume in price action and to see the advantage how to use trading the volume to improve our trading. The volume trading refers to the amount of the share of an assist to trading it giving the period of the time. It's so so perfect. And also the difference number for buyers and sellers who usually in stock exchange market in the certain period of the time in the one day, the higher the trading volume, the strong upper and or dominant will be. The start trading volume is one of the most important for spec. In technical analysis, it is the simple to detect the large or short stock candle stock in the market. And the stock market, the volume to price action may be not necessary to work in our institution. The like for technical analysis and indecision, but can still great. Okay, and incredible in sometimes in the stock market, more news comes. This is the for first one time frame which can repair for sometimes, and the making the higher and higher including of the upper the trend. And here the for volume is show that volume is also for upper. This is in detection is a good that it is the trend strong upper two. One that is trading now in this graph, you see that the trend is downward to price, and here is the volume for uh, upper and upper two. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching, and we continue to other videos too. Thank you so much for your watching our channel too. Thank you. Goodbye.